Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to put this device on the lock screen. So the most common way to do that is by clicking the Start button, then selecting Power Options and selecting Lock option on your screen. And this puts your device on a lock screen. But if you want to do this more conveniently, you can use a shortcut of Windows and L buttons on your keyboard. Pressing them both at the same time will basically do the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.